In this video, we're going to quickly go over a few teacher favorites in Lucidspark. Facilitator controls for classroom management, frames and paths for structuring your activities, breakout boards for facilitating group work, visual activities for gathering data, and embedding Google Slides, Docs, and Sheets into a Lucid board. Lucidspark has some amazing facilitator tools that allow teachers to monitor engagement, focus students, and manage collaboration. To access facilitator tools, click on the drop-down arrow from the upper right-hand corner of your board. First, let's look at how you can monitor student engagement using Follow a Collaborator. By clicking on a student icon, you are automatically redirected to where that student is working. Now, let's take a look at how you can focus student attention using Make Me the Facilitator. By making yourself the facilitator, you are able to take the lead. This automatically brings all students to your view on the board, allowing you to model and give instructions. Finally, don't forget to use facilitator controls to manage student collaboration. Facilitator controls allow the teacher to restrict access to certain features within Lucidspark. Now, let's take a look at how a teacher can use frames and paths to organize their activities. This gives students a table of contents or a learning path to follow. First, click on the Frames icon from the toolbar and select Create Frame. Now that you are ready, simply click and drag to create a frame around each activity. By setting up paths, you can make this guided learning process even easier for students. When students open the link, they will be prompted to follow the path and they will be directed to the first activity in the path. Students and teachers can now use the navigation pane at the bottom of their board to navigate between the activities in the lesson. Lucidspark breakout boards allow teachers to organize collaborative group work, monitor small group progress and participation, and provide real-time feedback to each group. Students all join the same board and use the breakout board icon to locate and join their group's collaboration board. Then the teacher can easily monitor each group using the breakout board side panel. Visual activities are drag and drop, completed independently, and provide real-time data on student participation and performance. To add a visual activity to the board, click on the rocket ship icon in the toolbar. Browse through the templates and drag out an activity onto the board. Then quickly customize the template to meet the needs of your specific lesson and save. Students will then click the Start button, complete the activity, and submit it for review. As soon as an activity has been submitted, the teacher can review the results in the data pane. Results are compiled into an average for the class, or you can review what each student did specifically. Next, let's talk about embedding Google Slides, Docs, and Sheets into a Lucid board. Start by copying the Google Slides share link. Then paste the link into a Lucidspark board. Click the Expand icon to open up an editable version of your document within your Lucid board. Make any edits you'd like, and then close the window to return to your Lucid board. To extract content from your Google Documents, click on the Preview thumbnail and select the Extract icon from the toolbar. Then select certain slides or use the checkbox to select all of the slides and click Extract. This will add all of the slides as individual images to your Lucidspark board.